you my name?
Yes, please.
Joseph Kim. K-I-M Kim.
And this is your certificate for your survey.
Oh, perfect. Thank you very much.
Stuff we're getting rid of too. The navy, extra large, but I don't.
Just checking out the area and just walking around to see what is going on here. I've got my bag now with some goodies. I'll check out what's actually in there much later, but so far just going around. I just got that, both of them. I brought it too. Well, not the stick, but that one.
The camera, X3?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's a cool one. Alright, it is the first day of boot camp, so I'm headed my way over to the conference center. I still am quite tired from all the traveling, and I still gotta do a few things in terms of preparation for the presentation. So yeah, wish me luck, but otherwise I'm gonna head over to the conference center to check out the place and kind of show you, also attending the classes for the boot camp. Good morning. Today is the second day of the boot camp. Actually is the last day of the boot camp before the whole Basecamp sessions. By the way, I was not able to have any closure video last night because I was just really tired and I really needed to just get some rest. And also I did preparation for my sessions that are to be followed on the Basecamp. So yeah, I was working on those a little bit, so I never really got to record anything. It was quite a jam-packed day where I have attended the sessions to listen to different things, as well as having interesting conversation, face-to-face conversation. that was all great. So yeah, I'm looking forward to having another day of that. So I'm about to head over to the conference center since I'm all ready now. So yeah, let's go. Stunning selfie spot. I could be a butterfly. I'm filming you.
It's a little stamp. It's a gold stamp. I don't know.
Well done.
So it allows us that opportunity to be able to drill down.
Audience members, we're over here admiring the nerves of these models with